Hello Schuler. So today we are going to learn from our Arbeitsbuch 2 from Hallo Deutsch, which is a book for grade 7. From this first lesson Arbeitsbuch we are going to solve. So see this first question we will solve. The heading of the lesson is Was isst du in der Pause? What do you eat in the break? Okay. So the first question is Essen oder trinken. Schreib die Wörter in die Tabelle. So these are the food items or the drinks which you are supposed to write in the appropriate column. So accusative case we have learned in the class. So these all items. So those food items you have to convert into dative case. Okay, sorry, accusative case. So see this. They have starting the sentence with like this: Ich esse and ich trinke. So I am eating, so I am a nominative case, and what all the things from this you are going to eat will take accusative case. One example I will write here for you. So see, ich esse einen Kuchen. They have already given a cake. I write a cake. So original article of Kuchen is their Kuchen, which they have converted into einen, a cake. Okay. So see, for tea I have trinken I have written one example. Ich trinke. I drink. If it is I drink a tea, so original article of tea you can see it's a their tea. And that's why I have converted there into einen here. So you can convert there to then also, no issues. So like this you are supposed to solve this question. Okay. Now let's come to the next question. Schreib setze wie im Beispiel. They have given the one example here. Like this you have to write the sentences. Ich möchte einen Schokoriegel essen. Now see students, again I will explain you here the case. Ich is a nominative case because you want, and what do you want? You want einen Schokoriegel, which is a accusative case, direct object. So Schokoriegel का original article था there, that's why they have converted into einen. So same, you are supposed to write using this table. The essen and trinken will differ according to whether it is a food item or a Getränk, that is drink. So ich möchte. So what you have to do first of all, Schokoriegel, original article cola. So Schokoriegel is there. So that you write here. Cola, the cola. Like this you write so that it will be easy for you to choose. So ich möchte eine Cola and then trinken. That will be your sentence. So I hope this is clear for you. Now for chips particularly they have given an exclamatory mark. Chips is a plural. So for chips do not use ein, eine oder einen. So I hope page 3 is clear to you. Now let's come to the Frage 3. Was passt zusammen? What matches together? Here they have given some questions and here they have given the answers. You have to match it correctly. First one, möchtest du einen Apfel? Do you want an apple? 2. Was möchtest du? What do you want? 3. Was trinkst du? What do you drink? 4. Hast du Hunger? Are you hungry? 5. Was isst du in der Pause? What do you eat in the break? 6. Eine Cola. Now I am going to read out the answers. I am going to just read out the options. The correct one you have to find out. A. Nein, ich habe keinen Hunger. No, I am not hungry. B. Nein, danke, ich habe keinen Durst. No thanks, I am not thirsty. C. Ich möchte ein Schinkenbrot. I want one ham bread. D. Ich esse einen Schokoriegel. I eat an chocolate bar. A. Ja, einen Apfel esse ich immer gern. Yes, always I like to eat an apple. F. Ein Mineralwasser bitte. A mineral water please. So I hope Frage 3 is clear. Let's move to the Frage 4. Ergänze wie im Beispiel. So you have to see one Beispiel. We will read first the given one. Trinkst du ein Mineralwasser? Do you drink a mineral water? Nein. Ich trinke kein Mineralwasser. So what you are supposed to do, students? In the first question which they are asking here, you have to use the correct option. Either you have to use ein. So this blanks I am talking, either you have to use ein, einen or eine. The correct option you have to use. So and in the answer you are refusing for everything. So you have to use kein, keine or keinen. Okay, one example I will write here for you or solve for you. Suppose this last one. Möchtest du Schokoriegel? Now Schokoriegel original article is there. So here I will write Möchtest du einen Schokoriegel? So answer will be 9. Ich möchte dash Schokoriegel. Now the negation you have to make. So Schokoriegel there hai. So there ka it will change to keinen. Okay. So students, for this please learn the articles of all food items which are which they have given in the course book of Deutsch, Hello Deutsch lesson 1. Yes. Now the next exercise is same. Now here particularly they have mentioned you have to either use keinen, kein oder keine. One example I will solve here for you. This suppose take this. Herr Meyer drink dash cafe. Now cafe का original article है there. Mr. Meyer doesn't drink a coffee. Okay, so accusative there का change होता है then. So kein will change to keinen. So the answer for sixth one is keinen. Okay, so after completing this fünf, what they are telling? Yes, in Frage 6. See, bring the Dialogteile in die richtige Reihenfolge. Schreib den Dialog in dein Heft. You have to bring these dialogues in one order and then you have to write in the notebook. Now he's our Finn. This boy name is Finn. So this girl, one hint I will give you. All these white color dialogues, white box dialogues belongs to the girl, and these three dialogues which you can see just bit of gray color, that belongs to the boy. So that is the hint for you people. These dialogues you have to arrange this the conversation between these two people and you have to write down in a notebook. In a class we will be discussing that. Now, one more dialogue they told you to form. Essen und trinken in der Pause, eating and drinking in their break. Ergänze den Dialog, spiel den Dialog zu zweit. So you have to complete this dialogue and you have to play. So, what mother is saying, was dash du in der Pause? Mia is replying Schokoriegel. So Schokoriegel is a food item. So the question can be here, was is du in der Pause, comma Mia. So mother is directly asking to the Mia. So in this first blank, you can write was ist du in der Pause. Okay, pause के बाद you can write word as a Mia. The question mark they have already given. Now what Mia is replying? Schokoriegel. So I will eat a chocolate. So here you can write einen Schokoriegel, a chocolate. Okay, now like this you are supposed to complete these dialogues, write down in notebook, then we will discuss in a class. Now ergänze die Tabelle. This table I have already completed for you. I am just reading it out for you. Essen is to eat and nehmen is to take. So I am reading this conversation, this verb conjugation. Ich esse, du isst, sie isst, wir essen, ihr esst, sie essen and sie essen. Ich nehme, du nimmst, sie nimmt, wir nehmen, Ihr nehmt, Sie nehmen, Sie nehmen. Okay, nehmen is to take. Now, Frage 9. Ergänze in der richtigen Form essen, nehmen oder trinken. This correct verb conjugation of choosing from these three verbs, essen to eat, nehmen is to take, and trinken, you are supposed to fill this. One example I will tell you for you. Nummer 3. Ich n dash einen Hamburger und was dash ihr. So, see, one hint they have given. They are starting the verb from n. So, that means you have to use the verb nehmen. So, what will come here? Answer of third one I am writing here. Ich nehme einen Hamburger. I am taking an hamburger. Und was dash ihr. Here the answer will come named. And what you all are taking? Ein ice bitte. Ice cream please. An ice cream please. Okay. So like this students, they have not given the hint for another verbs, so that you are supposed to find out and complete. So with this Frage 5 we have completed. Let's do the Frage 10. Schreib Mini-Dialog wie im Beispiel. Again you have to write a mini dialogue. See. So er ist ein Gast. He is a guest, and er ist Kellner, that is a waiter. Let's see what they are saying. Guten Abend. Und was trinken Sie? Good evening. What do you want to drink? Ein Mineralwasser. Ich nehme eine Gulaschsuppe. So a mineral water, and I will take a goulash soup. Now, how you have to complete the remaining dialogue? See, here they have given some food items. Okay, that you have to write. Example I will tell you. So, which food items they have given here? Let's see. So, they have given here the pizza. This is their Saft. So, I will write here. It's their Saft original. And this might be the limonade. The limonade or the limo. Okay. For these three food items, you have to form a sentence. Now, you know, there will change to then, the will remain as it is, and this the will also remain as it is in accusative case. Now, let's form a dialogue. Guten Abend. So, the waiter will say same. Und was trinken Sie? Und was essen Sie? Okay. Now, as they have given here food item, so was essen, comma, trinken Sie. That you write here. Then the guest will reply, Ich nehme eine Pizza, einen Saft und ein Limo. Und das Limonade. Yes, und eine Limo. Okay, so that will be your answer. So like this students, what you have to do in first place, all these food item names and with their articles that you write near these food items, so that it will be very easy for you to form a dialogue. Okay, which we'll be discussing in the class. Now, that was Seite Nummer 6. Now, we will do Frage 11. Einen, eine oder ein. Okay, so this article you have to solve. Let's solve this one. Ich esse. Okay, I will tell you this one now. Nummer 7. Ich trinke Glas Tee. Now students, don't see the article of Tee here. You have to see the okay, sorry for that noise. So you have to see the article of glass here. The article of glass is das Glas. Okay, so ich trinke ein Glas Tee. I drink a glass of tea. So always remember the noun which comes after the blank, you have to refer its article. Okay. Now, Frage 12, very important. Stellfragen, that is make the question. Okay, so what they are saying, answer: Nein, danke, ich habe keinen Durst. No thanks, I am not thirsty. Zwei, ja, einen Kuchen esse ich gern. Yes, I like to eat a cake. Drei, ich esse einen Joghurt. I eat an yogurt. I eat yogurt. Vier, sie isst Nudel. She eats noodle. Fünf, ich nehme ein Stück Pizza. I take a piece of a pizza. Sechs, nein, ich habe keinen Hunger. No, I am not hungry. Okay, so for this you have to form a question. Now the thing you have to pay attention here, see this, third is a simple sentence and the first one is a yes no answer. Okay, so remember, if it is a yes no answer, your question always starts with a verb. Your question always starts with a verb for yes no question. Okay, and for your simple sentence, ich esse einen Joghurt, it will start from a W-Frage, that is a WH question. Say this verb, this question will start. So let's see this example. Nein, danke, ich habe keinen Durst. No thanks, I am not thirsty. So the question will be, möchtest du any drink? We can write cola, for example. Do you want a cola? The reply will be no thanks, I am not thirsty. Okay, so instead of cola you can use any other drink also. Now let's see for this third one. It's a simple sentence hai. So the question will be WH question. So what is the question? She eats noodle. She eats noodle. So the question will be, was east Z. This is a she wala Z, so Z will be small, S will be small. Okay, so complete the rest of the questions. Now let's see what they have given in Frage 13. Wörter Rätsel, a word game or puzzle. Du kannst alles Du kannst alles essen oder trinken. Ergänze auch die Lösungswort. So you can drink and eat everything. Now this is our Lösungswort, means keyword that you are supposed to find out. Okay. So they have given here articles also. For example, this one, their yogurt. So you have to write the spelling of yogurt here. Okay students, so like this complete this puzzle and find out the Lösungswort and complete this sentence. Ich esse alles gern. I like to eat everything, aber dash esse ich besonders gern. Besonders gern means but I like to eat dash things especially a lot. Okay, besonders means especially. Now let's come to the last question. Wir lesen. Lesen text. I am going to read out the text for you. The translation you will find in the description box. Okay. Let's start. Guten Appetit. Das sind Lars und Lena Meyer. Sie sind Geschwister und wohnen in der Göppinger. Sie besuchen die Realschule. Morgens 8 Uhr beginnt die Schule. Bevor sie zur Schule gehen, frühstücken sie. Die ganze Familie sitzt 7:30 Uhr für das Frühstück am Esstisch. Lena isst ein Brot mit Butter und Marmelade und trinkt ein Glas Milch. Müsli mit Milch mag sie auch. Aber Lars mag keine Milch. Er trinkt lieber einen Orangen- oder Apfelsaft. Und sie meistens ein Käsebrot und sie isst meistens ein Käsebrot zum Frühstück. So that was our first text. Now let's read the next one. In der Pause, in the break. In der Pause isst Lena einen Apfel oder eine Birne. Außer dem trinkt sie eine Limonade und Lars, er isst keinen Apfel. Er isst lieber einen Schokoriegel oder ein Stück Kuchen. Mama backt so leckere Kuchen. Lars mag besonders äh, Marmorkuchen und Apfelstrudel. Cola und Limo trinkt er auch gern. Die Kinder möchten manchmal Chips mitnehmen, aber Mama sagt nein, das ist nicht gesund. Now the last text. Die Mutter arbeitet, deshalb essen die Kinder oft in der Schulkantine zu Mittag. Aber heute hat Mama frei. Die Kinder kommen zum Mittagessen nach Hause. Von der Schule haben sie nur 5 Minuten Fußweg. Sie haben großen Hunger und sitzen schnell am Esstisch. Und was gibt es heute? Vielleicht Ihr Lieblingsessen. Für Lars sind das Nudeln mit Tomatensauce oder Würsten mit Salat. Oder Würsten mit Salat. Lenas Lieblingsessen ist Pizza mit Käse und Schinken. Juhu, heute gewinnt Lars. Es gibt Nudeln mit Tomatensauce und Salat. Okay, so this text we have learned. Now let's see what they have told you to fill here. Frühstück, Pause und Mittagessen. That is breakfast in the break and for the lunch. Lars and Lena and Lars. So what is the question? Was essen und trinken die Kinder besonders gern? So favorite food is called as Lieblingsessen. Mark Notizen. So you have to note down here what Lena and Lars are eating in these 3 meal timings. Now here they have given Göppingen means what? A small city in the South Germany, 40 kilometers from Stuttgart. Okay. So I hope you have understood all the questions from the Arbeits book. Solve this and we will discuss that in a class. Okay. Now we will directly meet our in next video. Till then, choose.